Hi everyone, it's Mackenzie with WTI. Are you ready to have a luxury treatment, lifting, firming, a little tightening to your beautiful face? I think this is the ultimate perfect 24 karat gold and caviar sheet mask treatment that your skin is going to thank you for. I absolutely love a sheet mask. This one is so easy to use. It comes folded. There's no extra things to peel off and no extra garbage on the inside. It is perfectly saturated, not so that it's dripping all over everything, but it's not drying at all. This is the ultimate extra good treatment for your skin, giving it that little kick it needs. And for me, I love doing it at night because I know that I have the time to maybe watch a show and have it sit and soak and do its magic. I know that we all only have one face, so we want to make sure we take care of it, but this is going to work perfectly in conjunction with any cleanser or anything that you have already in use. I absolutely love getting luxury treatments without the price point. I think you're gonna love it just as much, almost, as me, and that's my point of view.